Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this Ruby Riott inspired makeup look. First of all, I want to say I know my wig isn't like perfectly accurate to her hair, but this is the best thing that I had on hand at the moment, so I thought it would do. So yes, this is the look I'm going to be doing today. It is very, very dark and honestly, I love it. It's definitely one of my favourite looks that they do for her, the very dark brown smoky eye and the dark lip. I feel like you could either do like a dark grey black lip or a brown. I did brown today. If you'd like to see how I did this makeup look, then just keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is I'm taking the colour Cortney from my Beauty Killer palette and putting that literally all over my eye, in my crease, my eyelid and under my lash line. Now taking like a darkish kind of chocolate brown, I'm going to be putting that again all over my eyelid as well. Now getting a black eyeshadow, this is Black Rainbow, again from my Beauty Killer palette. I'm going to be putting that in the outer third of my eye and my crease. And then using the same blending brush that we used with the brown, I'm going to be blending that black. And again, just lightly getting a bit of that black eyeshadow and putting it on our lower lash line just to smoke it out. Getting my liquid liner now. I'm not doing a very big wing, but the line on my actual eyelid is going to be pretty thick. So a smallish wing, but a thick line. I'm now going to be putting on some mascara. For lashes today, I'm using the Dodo Lash eyelashes in style D105. These are my favourite eyelashes. They're literally like $5. And you can actually even use the code Megan Louise Cosplay at checkout to get an even further discount on your order. Now with just a small brush, I'm going to be getting some gel liner and putting that on my waterline. And then putting some mascara on my lower lashes. And now lastly for lips, I'm going to be getting my JEFFREE Star lipstick in the colour Dominatrix and putting that on. And this is it for my Ruby Riott inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you'd like to see the other members of the Riott Squad have makeup looks on my channel, then let me know. But as always, if you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you next time. Bye.